Hey everyone, Rainbow Rage here with another vector tutorial for Ponyscape. Today I want to talk about the objects dialog and tags. The objects dialog is one of the most useful features we've added to Ponyscape. What it is, it's a replacement to the layers dialog, which has all the same functions for managing layers, but it also allows you to manage your groups and individual objects. Ctrl-Shift-O is your hotkey for this. The first columns are identical to the layers dialog, which allow you to hide and lock, but now you can do it for individual objects. The third column tells you whether it's an individual object, a group, or a layer. If it is a group or a layer, you can click on it to switch between them. The fourth column specifies the draw order. When the arrow is pointing up, you can draw like normal where the new object gets put on top. If, however, the arrow is pointing down, the new object is going to get drawn underneath that layer or group. Or sorry, not underneath it, but at the bottom, instead of on top. The fifth column gives you an indicator if there's a clip on that group or object. And the sixth column allows you to change the color of the path. Normally it's just the default red color, but sometimes that's not what you want. For example, here in Roseluck's hair, it's kind of hard to see the red on red. So if you can select this and change the color, then it'll be a lot easier to see. One thing to note is you have to turn on the opacity. If it's set to 0, it's still going to inherit the default color, even if you change it. Finally, we get to the objects themselves, which can be renamed by double-clicking, and also dragged around to reorder them. You can even drag your objects outside of and back into groups. Now we have tags, which are another great tool for managing your objects. Often you have objects that are related, but can't all be in the same group or layer, like if you had shading, or in our case, Roseluck's hair. Sometimes you still want to be able to select all of these at once. Tags allow you to do this. To create a tag, hit the New Tag button, and then rename it if you want. To add objects to your tag, select all the objects you want to include, and then hit the little plus icon next to the tag, and then all the objects will be added to it. If you now click on the tag, you'll select all objects within it, but the layering is still maintained. That's all for this. If you have any questions or suggestions for other tutorials in either Inkscape or Ponyscape, let me know and I'll see what I can do. Thanks for watching.